make it good. So, I've been to Greece like once, like multiple times, because I love Marina Satti's music, right? She's a very exponential artist when it comes on to have great credibility skills. Her music is fantastic, her vibe is so right? So I subscribe to her content for her music, right? And so right now we'll be reacting to La 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 La. Well, that topic's supposed to be very bizarre. I think this song would be very bizarre as well. So guys, this is the official music video by her. I'm from Jamaica. Greetings from Jamaica. So guys, let's have a great momentum right now. Peace. I gotta say, very cool instrumental, very cool beat. I love the sound as if it's happiness. Nice. All right. Beautiful video. Awesome energy. She's doing it, bro. I gotta say, I love her personality. I love her vibe, right? I love the way she's just showing herself, right? Her persona is awesome, right? I gotta say, she have a beautiful sense of humor, and I do appreciate her momentum for this. Buka. I gotta say, beautiful place, right? I gotta say, Greece is always this wonderful place, and the reason why I became a fan of Marina Satti, it's that she's always this gorgeous female who seems to do very great in music. Her voice is very good, and she always seems to deliver on point. And I love this factor of music, bro. It's captivatingly good. Beautiful dance, awesome dresses, wonderful background. It's what we're looking for. It's a perfect video match for this exact song. Oh my god, her voice is so good. Damn, this video is awesome.
Αχ πόσο βιάζομαι. Να αποστάσεις. Φεύγω δεν πιάνω. Τα ποτήρια σας ψηλά. Στο χορό και στη χαρά. Στο χορό και στη χαρά.
It's a very fun video, right? It's giving this positive energy, and I do affiliate myself with positive energy. What a beautiful woman, what a beautiful soul, bro.
Και στη νιά που λαχταρά. Τα ποτήρια σας γεμάτα. Και το χάρο πάτα πάτα. Στα διανά και στα γεμάτα. Και το χάρο πάτα πάτα.
Bro, to look at this video, it brings me so much joy in my heart. Whoa, the go-kart racing is totally phenomenal. It's a very entertaining video. The vibe is just right. It's like a party video. Damn, beautiful, just beautiful, outstandingly beautiful. It's so enjoyable. Wow, this is a very joyful video. I'm enjoying it so far.
Γέλιο και ζάλι κερνάει χαρά. Λαραραρα, κι ύστερα φεύγει, πετάει και πάει χαρά.
Oh my god, bro. The reason why I became a fan of Marina Satti, it's because of her level, right, that she's on now. Right? I've discovered this woman on the Eurovision 2024 competition, and bro, trust me, I subscribe to her because I love her music. Her music is what people need in these days, right? Because it is very good to listen to, it's very good to dance, and this music is giving a lot of dancing vibe. It's giving a lot of positive energy that you can be able to move your body. It doesn't matter where you are or how old are you. It doesn't matter. You have to move, you have to dance. This is the level and the quality of this video. Very good.
Να ρωτήσω κάτι. Συγγνώμη να ρωτήσω κάτι.
Bro, keep them coming. Keep them coming.
Σαν αεράκι φεύγει και χάνεται σαν ποταμάκι. Αχ, δεν με φτάνετε.
What beautiful video. Oh my god, bro. Oh my god, bro. I love this. Yo, very freaking good.
Αχ, πόσο βιάζομαι. Φεύγω, δεν πιάνω. Τα ποτήρια σας ψηλά στο χώρο και στη χαρά.
And you guys know what makes it so good? It's because her beauty. Her elegance of her beauty. It's quite captivating. You just can't stop looking at her doing what she's doing. She's capturing us. Trust me.
Στο χώρο και στη χαρά και στη μια που λαχταρά. Τα ποτήρια σας γεμάτα και το χάρο πάτα πάτα. Στα διανά και στα γεμάτα και το χάρο πάτα πάτα.
Cute dress. Damn. Freaking good. Stunning. Just stunning. Damn, bro.
Τα ποτήρια σας ψηλά στο χώρο και στη χαρά. Στο χώρο και στη χαρά.
Damn. Bro, keep it coming. Keep it coming, Miss Mariana. You're doing incredibly.
Και στη μια που λαχταρά. Τα ποτήρια σας γεμάτα και το χάρο πάτα πάτα. Στα διανά και στα γεμάτα και το χάρο πάτα πάτα.
Wow, just amazing. Just amazing. I gotta say, it is very good to sit and listen to her. Watch her move, guys. If you guys did enjoy this reaction, please subscribe for more. Hit that like button. Share this video to a friend, telling him or her about the Jamaican reactor. I'll see you guys in the next video.